gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull.
OPPO Find X9 Ultra unboxing. Let's see if this camera beast lives up to the hype. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. First surprise, pull the green handle and boom, square box. Not the usual rectangle like the Find N6. Open it and that giant camera module hits you instantly. It screams Hasselblad. The design feels like the X2D, two leather sections, bigger top, OPPO branding at the bottom, and a metal strip in between. Clean, premium. So what do you think? Read it 1 to 5, I'm curious. Flip to the back, OPPO and Hasselblad logos sit side by side. The dual-tone flash pops out slightly like the Find N6. The camera module? Big, circular, but not quite. Look closer, it's a curved hexagon, subtle but cool. Around the lens, there's a sunburst pattern and an orange accent. That same orange shows on the shutter button, but here's the twist. The ring is glossy, the button is matte. Very Hasselblad vibes. Inside this module, 4 lenses, 2 big ones, likely telephotos, plus ultra-wide and a 200-megapixel main. And yes, rumors say dual 200-megapixel sensors. There's also a second-gen color sensor in between. And finally, full Hasselblad branding, not just the H. This unit is black with gray-black vegan leather, but the frame more titanium-looking. Flat sides with volume, power, a camera button, and even an OPPO AI button. Front, flat display. Let's power it on. While it boots, quick box check. SIM tool, USB-A charger, 100-watt SuperVOOC, long USB-A to USB-C cable, paperwork, and a case. The case is soft TPU, brown titanium tone, same branding, same design, and it fully protects that huge camera, even the hexagon. Now it's on. Front looks clean, flat screen, centered punch hole, even bezels, slightly rounded corners, simple, sharp. Thoughts? But wait, we've got something extra. The OPPO Find X9 Ultra Hasselblad Earth Explorer Master Set. This box? Massive. Let's open it. Right under the lid, hold on, this is wild. It's an image of Earth taken by astronauts using a Hasselblad camera during the moon landing. Mine is numbered 07171. Every set is unique. Fun fact, Chow Yun Fat's is 888. You can even display this like a collectible, and with humans heading back to lunar missions, this hits different. Inside, 3 main items. The phone, we've seen that, then a 300mm teleconverter lens, and another accessory. This pouch? Probably for the lens. Feels like a DJI pocket case. There's also a small Hasselblad strap. Now, the 300mm lens. This thing is insane, huge, almost like a flashlight, and heavy, seriously heavy. Next to the phone, it's nearly the same length. That's wild. Here's the lens cap. Press and it snaps on hard. This lens promises crazy zoom. Specs, f2.2 300mm, and the adapter ring, also huge, way bigger than typical phone gear. Let's put it together. There's a lens hood too, and yes, it's massive. Line it up, twist, lock, done. And wow, this setup looks crazy. Honestly, this isn't a phone anymore, it's a camera system. We can't show samples yet, but you can already imagine the results. Quick heads up, it's heavy. Handheld isn't easy. That's why there's a support mount. Tighten this screw, clip it here, align the groove, snap it in. Twist the base, press, lock it, tighten everything, and now it's solid. You can mount it on a tripod with the 1/4-inch thread. Removing it, press and twist. You also get 2 extra adapter rings. One is for filters. Align, twist, lock, and it even has a tripod thread. Supports 67mm filters. Nice touch. Then there's the decorative ring. No accessories, just snap this on. Clean look, still camera vibes, no bulk. For the strap, use these holes. 4 options. Thread it through, secure it. Here's the full setup with the filter attached. Don't need the strap? Detach it quickly right here. Much easier. And once it's off, clean and minimal again. All right, time for some bird photography. Let's go. And that's everything from the OPPO Find X9 Ultra unboxing, design, and this crazy accessory kit. Honestly, this year's Ultra phones feels like you're buying a pro camera and getting a phone for free. So what do you think? Would you buy the OPPO Find X9 Ultra? Drop your thoughts below. If you enjoyed this, like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye!